10 countries, 1 pizza, 2 minutes to find the best on earth. Let's go. Starting with the basics, Italy is all about the crispy dough, San Marzano tomatoes, and fresh mozzarella. No unnecessary moves, just fire and passion. This is the real OG. The States are entering the chat. They love scale here. A sea of pepperoni, mountains of cheese, and that legendary NYC Style crunch. This isn't just food. It's a real energy boost. Canada says, why not? Sweet pineapple pizza is the main provocateur in the foodie world. Salty, sweet, juicy, W or L, you decide. Lahmacun is the Turkish answer to pizza. Paper-thin flatbread, juicy minced lamb, and an explosion of rapid. Squeeze some lemon and enjoy. Armenian Lamadjo, thin unleavened dough and an incredible amount of fresh cilantro with pepper, spicy, aromatic, and very authentic. This is built different. Brazil is a carnival of flavors. Catupiry, cream cheese, corn, and even peas. They aren't afraid of experiments. It looks strange, but tastes 100%. Fugazzeta from Argentina is a cheese paradise. No sauce, just tons of mozzarella inside and sweet onions on top. Careful. This cheese waterfall is impossible to stop. Japan turns pizza into a seafood masterpiece. Squid, shrimp, teriyaki sauce, and the mandatory Kewpie Mayo grid. This is a real anime vibe on a plate. Sweden surprises the most. Bananas, chicken, peanuts, and plenty of curry. Sounds crazy, maybe, but for Swedes, it's the perfect cheat meal. Finishing elegantly, France adds noble cheeses and a final touch. A perfect runny egg in the center. Aesthetic, flavor, and crunch magnifique. Your pick? Drop in the comments right now. Like this video. Subscribe, don't miss the next cooking battle on the Dish Duel channel.